Imagine hanging out lakeside, having this view on your new lake house, and also being only a few steps from the social. 1850 Castaway Island Road has a lot of things you'd love in a lake house. A flat lot, a covered boat slip, a boat ramp, and so much more. Including this newly added huge back deck overlooking a lake. One of the coolest parts of 1850 Castaway Island Road is the massive back lakeside deck, because it's located in the Collegia side of Lake Martin, so it's in between Collegia Bridge and Chimney and Acapulco Rock, and this is a prime hangout spot for a lot of stuff. But inside, the home feels like a lake house with gleaming wood floors, exposed wood ceilings, and open concept. By boat, you're close to the action and the big water of Big Collegia, but the home faces south over a beautiful slough. So if you'd like a house on the Collegia side of the lake, maybe 1850 Castaway Island Road is a good fit for you. If it is, please give me a call or text. I'm John Coley with Lake Martin Voice Realty.